Hello. It looks likely to have been the driest July on record across parts of England and Wales, but now switching our attention to August, and we're going to see a few more of these shower clouds across Scotland and Northern Ireland.
Good morning. July was exceptionally dry and very warm, but how's the first weekend of August shaping up? Hi, good, thanks Charlie and Emma, hope you're both well. We're into the start of a new month, but what a remarkable one July was. Exceptional in many different ways. The main one really is how dry it's been. For England and Wales, it's been the driest July on record. That's 190 years of records. And across the UK, the third driest on record, because you can see actually across Scotland, we've had about average rainfall in the west. Not much rainfall around though again as we start August, not across England and Wales. There are a few scattered showers though further north across Scotland and for Northern Ireland. But because we're pulling in that warmer air, again Sunday and Monday we might clock up more days above 30 degrees Celsius, which make it a record, of course. A record was set back in 1995 for that. So we're potentially going to continue to see those records tumble, unfortunately, this summer. You can see, though, where we get most of the rain is next week. Again, it's Northern Ireland and Scotland, but particularly Scotland. Just a few showers for England and Wales. But for parts of eastern Scotland, also where we have water scarcity, the most significant level as well, we could see 60-70 millimetres of rain. So there is some rain in the forecast, Charlie and Emma, but not much, unfortunately, for England and Wales still.
You're loving those charts at the moment. What is this one depicting for us? The stats?
Absolutely. Because they're all trickling through at the moment, Charlie and Emma, because it's come to the end, July, that exceptional heat and dry weather. But one of the compounding problems is how much sunshine we had. On a summer's day, you often get a bit of cloud bubbling up, but I've been struck by how much blue sky we've had in the last couple of months when we've had the heat. And this shows it, doesn't it, for July? That is well in excess of what you'd normally see sunshine-wise, which means that it's sunny from dawn to dusk, and it's evaporating any moisture that we have as well. Now, we have a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere this morning in the form of mist. If you're up early enough to see it, this was in Cornwall in the Ottery Valley there. It will soon disappear. We've got more sunshine to come again today across England and Wales. Lovely start to the day here in Penarth in the Vale of Glamorgan. Just a little bit of cloud bubbling up in the distance there. It's a slightly different story further north. It's certainly not a washout, but we've got some shower cloud here at Plockton in Highland, and that's really the story for the day. It's a mostly settled picture, actually, Charlie and Emma. Good morning to you this morning. This is a shot taken across Abergavenny. I think in the background, that's a Sugarloaf Mountain, having climbed it a couple of times. What a lovely morning for a walk. And plenty more of that to come through the weekend if that's what you like. But unfortunately, there's still no sign of any much needed rain really across England and Wales.
Well, Helen can tell us all now whether that weather's going to continue there. What's it looking for, like for the last couple of days?
Actually, a lot better than it was earlier in the week. Of course, we had that torrential downpour on the cold weather front that moved through Tuesday, Wednesday. But I'm looking forward to the netball today, of course, indoors. My sport was indoors as well, growing up in Wales. But actually, here we are in Wales this morning. And whilst it's looking fine and dry for the most part across the central belt of Scotland through Glasgow, just one or two showers, unlikely to see any showers really across the bulk of England and Wales. There'll be very few and far between. But there are some showers in the forecast further north.
On a Saturday morning. What you got, Helen?
Thanks, Charlie and Emma. Good morning. I've got more of the same. We've changed the calendar month of the year, but it's still largely dry across England and Wales with some showers further north. This is Beverley in East Yorkshire. You can see there's a little bit more cloud around in the sky this morning. Absolutely. And the dog, we were down on the southwest coast actually last week, which was equally beautiful. And I've walked many a mile around Wales as well, where I come from.
Did you have a sandwich?
Of course.
What was it?
And a flask of coffee and, oh, for me, probably something like cheese. Cheese
oh, nice.
Tuna.
Cheese and pickle, presumably.
Yeah. No, not a fan of pickle, actually.
Oh, dear.
No, odd, eh? But no, cheese and tuna, perhaps.
Cheese and tuna?
Yeah, what? Together. You've not had it?
Well, tuna melt.
Perhaps perhaps some red onion as well in there. Not pickle, red onion.
Okay. No, I'm saying no to that. It's no.
I love a walk, and nowadays I've got a dog, and she would find that joyful as well.
Good.
And it's lovely weather as well, Emma and Charlie, for a walk today. Strong sunshine. We're into August now. But unfortunately, actually, what we want at the moment, what we need is a drop of rain or two, isn't it? And there's not much on the cards, not for England and Wales. But you can see this is Morecambe, just to show you some of the cumulus cloud building up. There could just be the odd shower.
Richard Daniel, BBC News.
Oh, it looks lovely.
Yeah, I saw Helen looking closely at that. You could see yourself with a nice packed sandwich, a picnic, walking along there. It'd be lovely, wouldn't it?
Absolutely, and the dog. We were down on the southwest coast actually last week, which was equally beautiful, and I've walked many a mile around Wales as well, where I come from.
Did you have a sandwich?
Of course.
What was it?
And a flask of coffee, and for me, probably something like cheese. Cheese
oh, nice.
tuna.
Cheese and pickle, presumably.
Yeah. No, not a fan of pickle, actually.
Oh, dear.
No, odd, eh? But no, cheese and tuna, perhaps.
Cheese and tuna?
Yeah, together. You not had it?
Well, tuna melt.
Great.
Tuna melt.
Perhaps perhaps some red onion as well in there. Not pickle, red onion.
Okay. No, I'm saying no to that. It's no.
I love a walk, and nowadays I've got a dog, and she would find that joyful as well.
Good.
And it's lovely weather as well, Emma and Charlie, for a walk today. Strong sunshine. We're into August now. But unfortunately, actually, what we want at the moment, what we need is a drop of rain or two, isn't it? And there's not much on the cards, not for England and Wales. But you can see this is Morecambe, just to show you some of the cumulus cloud building up. There could just be the odd shower around today across the northwest of England and possibly North Wales, but few and far between. Most of them will be further north across Highlands, Scotland. But even here and for Northern Ireland, they'll be more scattered than yesterday.
Hello there. There is some rain in the forecast for early next week. For the rest of this weekend, though, it's mostly fine and dry.
Hi there, good evening. Very warm across the capital today. Lots of sunshine, little bits of puffy cloud drifting around. More the same tomorrow, but the heat is really going to start to build starting on Sunday, getting rather hot on Monday and Tuesday. With that, lots of homegrown sunny spells, but the risk of a few showers as we head into next week. And we
Hello again. So the rest of the weekend is looking fairly quiet for most of us, but we have got an area of low pressure working its way towards us, and that's going to drive the system across the UK as we go through Monday and Tuesday. It looks like it's going to bring some rain across more western and northern parts and some showers across the east.